Okay, so this is the one of the Fort range of Hitchlock. So it comes in a cardboard packaging. So we're going to fit it on this trailer whilst it's fitted to the vehicle. So ideal if you stop at motorway services, or you just want to lock it up in a car park. Insert your key into the lock, turn it half a turn, your lock splits apart, then you can just push it together, squeezing the lock together, and then just half a turn. Towing vehicle, even if you release the handle here, you're still not going to get the ball out the bottom, so that is locked, so you've got that peace of mind that your trailer's locked to your vehicle. So the hitch lock can be also fitted whilst the trailer is unhitched. Again, simply insert the key, half a turn, split the unit apart, slide it over, and slide the inside piece in, turn the key half a turn, and that's now locked on there. It's sealed up underneath to stop any entry for any ball, and that's now locked on. Exactly the same process to take it off. Insert the key into the unit, half a turn, and then you can simply just pull the two halves apart. So a very simple design. Inside you have two pins. It's a lock mechanism like they use on a safe, with the two pins that go up through the housing. So it's sealed up underneath, and then when it's on the vehicle you turn it the other way round, and it's simply on the hitch side, so the tow ball is going in through the hole in the bottom.